Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to do something healthy. We're going to do protein balls. So with that, we start with 1 cup of just quick cooking oats, 1 cup of coconut, and I am putting in 1 scoop of protein shake. This is chocolate, so you can use any flavor that you wish.
Any brand you wish?
Any brand of protein shakes that you have. So we're putting in the 1 scoop of chocolate today. And I am going to add 1 tablespoon of pecans and 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Now I'm going to mix it up. Okay, now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of creamy, smooth peanut butter.
Nice.
Yeah, I like peanut butter. I can eat this just by itself, just a scoop of it.
You like
peanut butter is good, and it's good for you. Good protein. Good protein.
You know what else is good? Peanut butter sandwich with jelly on it as well.
Yeah, that's good too.
You can also put honey on it.
Yeah. Well, we're going to put honey in that. In this, we're going to put 1/3 a cup of honey. This is raw, unfiltered honey from good old honeybees.
Yeah. What a coincidence that we put honey in after I mentioned peanut butter and honey sandwiches.
Peanut butter and honey, and we're going to put peanut butter and honey in our protein balls, aren't we?
Yep.
Okay. Now then we're going to take and try to get this all mixed up. It takes a little bit of doing to get it all combined together. And what we're going to do, I'll kind of do it like this for a while, and then I'm sorry, but I have to get my hands down in it because we're going to get it packed in together real good, and then we're going to make it into balls. Okay, you can see I've got my hands down in it and just making these the mixture into just some little round balls. This should make about a dozen balls. Sometimes the mixture is kind of crumbly and sometimes it's not. I think the weather has something to do with it. But just make them into balls like that. Okay, this is the last ball to make. Okay, there you have it. We will put them in the refrigerator and let them sit there for an hour or so, and then they'll be ready to eat. I usually keep them refrigerated, but I hope you try it and enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a good evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.